This car messed with the wrong truck. Wait until the end to see what happens.
Holy holy shit! What the? He's throwing. Oh.
The car in front refuses to let the truck overtake and receives payback soon.
What? What? Dude, I think he's doing yes. This is the best. Oh my god, no. Hell yeah. I'm
The car finally gives up and leaves. What would you do if you were the truck driver?